Hello students. So today we are going to discuss the interfacing with the Arduino board. So that is a sensor interfacing with Arduino board. So there are many boards. There is a board of Arduino Uno as well as Arduino Nano. So here we have already discussed about the experiment, and I have told you that we can use any type of Arduino board. So here you can see that I have a Arduino Uno and as well as I have Arduino Nano. So we can use any type of board. Both the uh, both the boards have the same utility, and here you can see that there is a pin package. There is a pin dual in pin package, DIP package used of the microcontroller, and there is a SMD package used in the Arduino Nano, right? So both can be used for the purpose of demo purpose and for open source coding, and it is a very useful code. So here we have some connecting wires. So there are some connecting wires, and we can use them to interface with my sensor, and here is my sensor. So now I will connect them accordingly. So this has three wires. Basically you can see that there are three wires, and these three wires are used for the purpose of VCC, and this is used for the VCC, and ground and signal. Okay, so I have connected this my jumper wires with my sensor. So now I will connect them with the uh, microcontroller. So here I am connecting these wires. So I am taking A0, okay, because my sensor is analog. Here it is a analog sensor, so you can see in this video that it is writing analog ambient light sensor. So now I am going to burn my code. I will select from example analog read serial. Here the value is already connected into the A0. We are beginning I am just beginning my port using a serial.begin 9600. There is a sensor value, and I am reading this sensor value from the analog read. So I can increase my delay to check the things easily. So I am just putting it 500 so that I can check my things easily. Now I am uploading the code. Yes, that you can see on the board that on the screen that the code has been uploaded on the Arduino Nano. Now I have to select particular baud rate on which I have just begin it. Now the values are coming on it, right? So it is good. So the values are coming on this. So now I will just keep my hand on it, and now you can see that values are lowering down, right? And now I am just opening my hand. Now you can see that values are increasing. Okay, so now again I will do this experiment. Now I am just putting my hands on it. So now the values are coming in the range of lesser than that of 700, and then as I increase the light intensity, so the light intensity is going beyond the 800. So that's how we can check the values of my sensor on the COM port, and I can use them easily. So if you have any type of problem in this experiment, you can ask me. You can come to lab, you can check that how this experiment will happen. So thank you for this. experiment, and if you have any kind of issue, then you can talk to me.